Hey. So I've been doing some sketch practice lately with my students, just really simple, fast figure sketches. And I thought, maybe it's time I share the process with you too. This isn't a fancy tutorial or anything, it's just me sketching, showing you how I think while I draw. I've been drawing figures for a long time. Back in art school, I actually made it a daily habit, 50 figures a day. Sounds kind of intensive, but honestly, the routine helped me so much. It trained my hand, built up muscle memory, and made drawing feel more natural, more instinctive. And this is really the point here. Figure drawing doesn't have to be stiff or intimidating. You are not trying to make a perfect figure every time. You are trying to loosen up, build a rhythm, and feel more confident with your lines. What I'm showing you here is a more traditional approach. Think about the proportions, gesture, perspective, but that's just one way to do it. There are artists out there who never follow the rules, and they still create a powerful, expressive work. Their proportion might be totally off, the lines wild and free, but you can feel something in their drawings. The vibe, the energy, sometimes say more than perfect anatomy ever could. So I guess what I'm saying is, figure drawing doesn't lock you into one style. It's a tool, a skill, a way to understand the body and the movement. So you can use it however you want, whether you're into animation, character design, or just expressive art for yourself. You can follow this along with me if you want. Pause, rewind, draw over it, whatever helps. The goal isn't to copy exactly, it's to practice, to get a feel for the flow, the motion, the balance of each pose. And if it feels messy at first, that's fine. Honestly, that's part of the process. You're not falling, you're building something. Alright, I'll stop talking now. Let's sketch.